for the first time I danced. I took part in a short film, but actually shooting wasn't present there. But debate competition मुझे पहली बार यहाँ कॉलेज में एक्सपीरियंस करने मिला. Hello friends, welcome back. It's me Vedika. So today I'm going to share my standard 11th experience. Okay, so मेरे 11th के final exams खत्म हो गए हैं and I'm going to enter standard 12th. So I thought कि क्यों ना मैं share करूँ how was my standard 11th and also how was my experience as a junior college student. So yes, I live in Mumbai and here after your 10th you are in junior college basically. So yes, I'm going to share my experience. How was it? How was the year in general, and what all were the things that I enjoyed, and what are the basically changes after school? What are the perks that you will get after school? ठीक है. So ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ. And yes, I'm very excited. So let's just start. Okay, first up, as my college started, it started in August I feel. हाँ, अगस्त में चालू हो गए थे colleges and तब it was kind of rainy. बारिश जो मेन होती है जुलाई वाली वो तो नहीं एक्सपीरियंस करने मिली, बट अच्छा था बिकॉज ट्रैवलिंग वुड बी अ हैसल देन. So for the first year it was good. अगस्त में चालू हुआ कॉलेज एंड इस साल तो मेरे ख्याल से स्टूडेंट्स का शायद जल्दी कॉलेज चालू हो जाएगा बिकॉज द एग्जाम्स वर टेकन अर्लियर, हमारे लेट हुए थे कंपैरेटिवली. So yes, that was good. This first week was pretty easy, pretty good. आधा टाइम सब्जेक्ट्स को समझने में चला गया. Okay, so I chose the stream commerce, and yeah, commerce के अंदर when you have to choose optional subjects, so you get a choice of Hindi, French, German, IT, and more subjects I feel. हाँ, और भी सब्जेक्ट्स पता नहीं कौन से, संस्कृत वगैरह होता है. बट मेरा क्लियर था that I wanted to choose between Hindi and IT. So I was preferring IT more over Hindi because IT will be more useful for me further. So yeah, luckily I got the IT subject and yeah, so I took maths and IT in my commerce stream. So yes, the first week was all about getting familiar with the subjects, especially accounts, which is a new subject in general. So accounts में थोड़ी सी मेहनत शुरू में करनी पड़ी, but yeah, everything then went pretty smooth. And then after that, in the first week itself, there was a competition in my college. Not in my college, it was an intercollegiate competition. So I took part in that. It was a patriotic song. So yeah, I made new friends. I really enjoyed that experience. So मैंने क्या किया था basically ये साल में, if you are also going to enter your standard 11th, I would suggest that experience the most, and to experience the most, take part in various extracurricular activities as much as possible. तो मैंने जितनी सारी चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेशन हो पा रहा था मेरा, मैं कर रही थी पार्टिसिपेट. आई लेफ्ट फ्यू जो कि मेरे एग्जाम के साथ क्लैश हो रहे थे एंड शायद उनमें मेरा जिनमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं था वो मैंने बस छोड़ा है. बाकी सब में आई ट्राई टू गेट इनटू थिंग्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस मोर बिकॉज स्कूल से ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर आपको कॉलेज में मिलता है. सो ये एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट थिंग्स मोर. तो इसलिए मैंने बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में ये साल पार्ट लिया. एंड देन या उसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. इट वॉज ग्रेट, इट वॉज फन. आफ्टर दैट हमारे एग्ज़ाम्स हो गए थे, फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट, एंड इट वेंट गुड क्योंकि ठीक ठीक था. अकाउंट्स वॉज न्यू, अकाउंट्स अच्छा लगा मेरे को, फिर अच्छा लगने लगा. एंड या मैथमेटिक्स इज समथिंग दैट नीड्स अटेंशन. सो अगर आप मैथ्स ले रहे हो तो you need to spend some time in maths. Okay, so that happened, and then there was this thing as well in my college. ऐसे ही एक random event भी था. It was not pre-decided. So there was this Tashanbaz event in which I took part, and for the first time I danced. So पहले मतलब जितनी भी मैंने कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लिया है, इन माई प्राइमरी सेक्शन आई रिमेंबर इन माई स्कूल आई हैड टुक पार्ट इन अ डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. वही एक ही साल हुआ था एंड आई टुक पार्ट इन दैट. उसके बाद से I never took part in dance much, but I really like dancing. तो मैंने सोचा उस दिन rather than going for singing, which I do as usual, क्यों ना मैं dance करूँ, because it's something that I don't do always. So yeah, I took part in that and that also was really good. उसके बाद again things went. Then it was time for our second unit. So काफ़ी सारी हमको छुट्टियाँ मिली. In short, छुट्टियाँ नहीं, बहुत सारा बंक भी मारा, because सब मास बंक वगैरह कर लेते थे. So that was also kind of fun, जो कि आपको लिबर्टी स्कूल में नहीं मिलती है. So you can skip lectures, you can go out, you can explore your surroundings and stuff. वो सब आप कर सकते हो. And then उसके बाद all this happened. Second unit test got over, and then it was Diwali break. Yeah, Diwali vacations थे. And after that, when the college restarted, I took part in a short film. Basically acting करनी थी and they were searching for people. So I thought कि क्यों ना ले participate करें. It wasn't official as such, but yeah, मैंने ले लिया part इसमें and I enjoyed it thoroughly. It was good. It was something new, जो कि मैंने स्कूल में नहीं किया था. So स्कूल में skits वगैरह होती थी, but you know actually shooting wasn't present there, and shooting there really excited me. भले ही मेरा dialogue बहुत कम था, but मुझे मज़ा आया. वो सब हुआ. That went on for a week. Actually एक week का काम नहीं था, but धीरे धीरे करके that went on for a week. उसके बाद हाँ, I remember December January के टाइम पे I took part in my debate competition as well. It was an inter-college debate competition and we won that. So yeah, that was really good. It was the first time that I took part in a debate competition. इससे पहले मैंने elocutions and speeches में ही लिया था, but debate competition मुझे पहली बार यहाँ college में experience करने मिला and मैंने सोचा I should do this. So yes, me and one of my partner who was my teammate in the debate competition, we both won and it was amazing. The experience was good. After that कुछ नहीं, उसके बाद तो ज़्यादातर हम लोग ने मास बंक ही मारा था एंड छुट्टियाँ भी काफ़ी ऑन एंड ऑफ मिल गई थी बिकॉज ऑफ द 12th बोर्ड्स. उसके बाद we just gave our final exams and then we are over. Okay, so this is how our 11th standard just flew by. Actually थोड़ा बहुत पता तो चला, but yeah, साल काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया because we started late. So yes, this was how the year went. And if you are going into junior college, so experience things more, take part in extracurricular activities more, but then again, doing your studies and balancing your academics is also important because most of us don't pay attention to studies because boards के break में होते हैं and then उसके बाद हमें लगता है कि now it's time to rest. But थोड़ा बहुत basics, थोड़ा बहुत नहीं actually थोड़ा सा fundamentals हमें हमारे strong कर लेने चाहिए just because 12th में भी boards देने हैं and boards are बाकी इसके लिए. So yeah, that is my whole experience. It was good, it was fun, and I hope that the next year also goes pretty well. So yeah, this was my video for today. I hope that you liked this chit chat kind of a video, and yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and yeah, I'll meet you very soon. Until then, goodbye.